How to add money to your Nomad account. Hey guys, what's up? Leonardo Paiva here, back with another video. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process to add money to your Nomad account. Do you enjoy these types of videos? We've got other related videos on this channel already. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. I'm always making videos to help you guys out. Alright folks, let's get started. The process to add funds to your Nomad account is pretty straightforward. I'm already logged into my account here, and you'll want to click on the Add Money option at the bottom. Once you click Add Money, it'll show you the information you need to make a deposit. It's important to note the details here. Your full name will appear along with your CPF, Brazilian Tax ID, Nomad's bank code, which is 712, the branch number for digital accounts, which is 0001, and your checking account number. You'll need to make a TED transfer to your Nomad account. So make sure to write down all this information. What am I going to do next? I'm going to copy my checking account number here to make it easier. So I just need to remember the bank code, which is 712, and the branch number, which is 0001 for a digital account. Now I'm going to open an account here to make this transfer to my Nomad account. In my case, I'm going to open Santander and transfer money from Santander to my Nomad account. I'll click on Access My Account. Here in Santander, I can click on the Pay option and then select TED Transfer. Here you'll enter the amount you want to deposit into your Nomad account. As this is just an example, I'll enter $1000 and select Checking Account as the account type. I'm going to click up here to select the recipient. I clicked on New Recipient, and now I'll enter the institution. So the bank code is 712. I'll click here. Okay, 712. So here's the bank, and the account type is a checking account. Now I'll enter my branch number, account number, and the verification digit. The branch is a digital account, so it's 0001. The account number I copied, just press here. I'm going to paste it. So I'm going to remove this 6 and put the 6 here as the digit. The account holder is the same, so I'm doing this for myself. I'm going to register the recipient. Click on Continue, and then click Continue at the bottom. So guys, remember that TED transfers can't be done at any time. It's from 6:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Since it's almost 8 p.m. now, my TED for today will be processed tomorrow. So that's fine. I'm going to schedule this TED. I'll click Continue. I'm going to select the purpose here. Transfer between accounts with the same ownership. Click Continue. So here's this TED transfer for $. Click on Transfer. And there you have it, guys. TED successfully scheduled. So tomorrow I'll check my Nomad account, and this balance will already be in my account. Did you manage to do it, guys? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll be wrapping up now. Take care and God bless. Thanks everyone.